Right now, parts of the East Coast are cleaning up after a powerful and deadly nor'easter. The storm brought torrential rain, powerful winds, and flooding from the Carolinas to New England, triggering water rescues, including this one off Cape Cod. Streets in parts of New Jersey and New York were flooded with water as the slow-moving system pushed through, and some residents in coastal communities in Connecticut did their best to prepare ahead of the storm.
We put boards up to make sure if the water flows this way that it doesn't come down the road. We evacuate everything off the deck. So as long as you're prepared, it's interesting. It's interesting to watch the waves. It's pretty exciting.
In New York City, a 76-year-old woman died after she was struck by a solar panel that blew off a nearby carport during the storm. In Massachusetts, 2 people were killed and 1 injured when a small plane crashed near Cape Cod. Now it's unclear if weather was a factor.